Hello, my name is Helen Rhiannon and I'm just coming on to do a very quick video to tell you all about the starter pack, which is something you need to use the book Dressmaking Easy Guide. Typically my 8-month-old wakes up just as I start filming, so I'm just going to show you what you need to get going with the book. Now, Dressmaking Easy Guide is this book, which may be back to front for a minute, but this is the book that you need to be making your clothes from scratch and allow you to make clothes that fit you and your unique body. So this is the book that I wrote, and you can order that by itself and have a signed copy. But to get up and running in the book, what you do need is a starter pack. So the starter pack consists of 3 items. First of all, you need your paper. So you have 2 meters of dot and cross paper. This is to help you trace off the blocks, the full scale blocks that are in the back of the book. So you'll see these are in an envelope at the back there. Okay, so the book will guide you through everything, but you also have free YouTube videos to help you understand what all of this means and how to actually work through the book, as well as the online course, which is £99 for lifetime access, which is the book just come to life with me teaching you every step of the way. So that is a brilliant resource if you want the visual learning. So all of this can come to life as well as just using the book, but you can also have the online course as well to help. So the pattern paper is dot and cross paper. This is what every dressmaker uses. I use it, pretty much every dressmaker does. There are different types. You can use plain as well, but personally the dot and cross paper is the best. You can use the back, which is plain, but then you can use the dots and crosses to line your patterns up, get your grain lines right, and it becomes a really useful tool when you develop your pattern cutting skills. You get 2 meters of this, which is all you need to trace off your block. Whether you're 1 size, across 2 or across 3 sizes, it doesn't matter. The book helps you whatever size and shape you are. It goes from UK 6 to 44, but isn't actually listed as sizes, it's numbers. So you go purely by your measurements. So whether in the UK, EU or America, it doesn't matter. You just go with which number you are according to your size. So 2 meters will do you for that. Next up, you have the Pattern Master. Now this is how it comes in the pack, and you have an explanation of how to use it. You can also look, say, at the YouTube videos that I do, the online course, I use it throughout the whole course, and there's also some Beyond the Blocks videos where I use the Pattern Master to show you how to develop your pattern cutting skills. So if you're unsure how it works, please go onto YouTube. You'll see this is the metrics. You've got a centimetre seam allowance, which is key around this, all the way around, and also on the inside. And this is what is key about Pattern Master. This is what makes this different to a French curve. And every pattern cutter has a Pattern Master, I promise you. So this is why it's in the kit, because it's all wrapped up safely for delivery, whereas if you send it by itself, it's a little bit of a nightmare with postage. So this is your Pattern Master. This comes in with your 2 meters of paper, and then you also have your 2 meters of calico, which is all you need to cut out your block and to actually make up your first initial toile. It may not fit you, it probably won't fit you perfectly. Actually, I don't think anyone's has ever fitted perfectly, because if you want the perfect fit, you do tweak, because every person, every female is different. There's not one of us with the same measurements and same proportions. So your 2 meters of calico will allow you to make the toile without sleeves, and that will allow you then to put something on as a replica of your body, and then you tweak, you pin, you adapt, and then you put those alterations back onto your blocks. So you will possibly then need some more paper at some point, but you can see how you get on with the dot and cross, and at least you know how that works. So your starter pack is £34.99. There is a code currently in October 2025, so you can get a discount of 30%. By putting in starter 30, but you can buy it on the website for £34.99 any other time. But you can also add the book to that if you would like to have the book in there, which is £49.99 with the book, and you get a signed copy. So you just need to let me know who you want me to sign it to. And this is my book, I'm the author, this is my journey that I want to share with all of you. So your starter pack, all you need to add to that is pencil, which one day I will get. Oh, and a tape measure. need a tape measure, and that's all you need to get started. So if you've got any questions, please comment below, and have a look at YouTube, because that will bring everything to life for you as well. And don't forget the online course, which is me hand holding you throughout. I do some courses in person as well, but as you can tell with a little mini me, I will be starting those back in 2026. So thank you for joining me. I hope that's been useful, and good luck on your dressmaking journey. Bye.